Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zaria McQueen, and as y'all know, we have been in quarantine for forever. So if you want to see how I get myself together at home, then keep on watching to see my at-home pamper routine. So since I started doing my gel manicures at home, I purchased this kit off of Amazon. I will link it down in the description box because honestly it comes with so much for so little, and it's just great. And honestly, I don't think I'll ever be going to a nail salon again. I ain't gonna lie. So basically it comes with a bunch of colors. It comes with a kit with little jewels if you want to, bedazzle those nails. It comes with this mini UV LED lamp, which is cool. It's real handy. Like, I really feel like I could take this on the go. And it comes with an instruction manual, so it lets you know all the things that you need to do, and it's pretty cool. So I would definitely invest in this if you want to do your nails at home. It's kind of easy. It gets easier and you get better as you keep practicing. So yeah, in this video, this was like one of the first times that I did my nails at home, so it might look a little, but I'm telling you, once you really get into it and keep doing it, you will look like you're fresh out of the salon. So I start off by shaping my nails. I don't really cut them because my nails don't get super long, but I just like to make sure that they are super square, like short and square. That's how I like my nails. Like, I don't like any other shape. I just really like the look it gives me when it's nice and square, y'all. So that's what I'm doing first, and I'm just using everything that came in the kit. So you really don't need to get outside items, especially if you don't do your nails anyway and you decide you want to start doing gel. This kit really has you covered. It has all of your essentials. So once my nails are looking the shape that I want, I'm going to go ahead and just clean under them to make sure that there's, no ickies. And I'm going to go ahead and push my cuticles back. That's the way that you get the best results. And yeah, so first you're going to go in with your base coat. Let that go under the light for 60 seconds. Then you start applying the color. I didn't really want to include the clip of me doing each and every step and waiting because this video will be so long and drawn out, and it's pretty self-explanatory. But basically, after each coat of the color, you're going to put it under for 2 minutes and then repeat. I usually go with 3 coats because I think that looks the best. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be good to go. And just make sure it's dry. Sometimes I might leave it under there for like 5 minutes. I'm not gonna lie, I'll go for 5 minutes because the pinky for some reason doesn't dry for me, or it takes longer to dry, So, just read the directions and you are good to go. Alright, so when that top coat is done drying and you wipe off any sticky residue left over with alcohol, I'm going to go ahead and use this rose cuticle oil that they included. I really like that they included this in the set because it does work. It really does help keep those cuticles nice and moist. And they do this in the nail salon, so we want to get the full effect, you know what I'm saying? And I even use it on my toes when I do my gel pedicures. And this is the finished look. I mean, not too bad for at home, really. And as I continue to do my gel manicures, I've definitely gotten better with cleaning up around the nail bed so that it really does give me that fresh out of the salon feeling and look. So now let's get started with a luxurious pedicure at home. So I had this bucket of warm water. Honestly, it was too hot, y'all. I had to let it cool down, so don't be like me and put boiling hot water. Not a good idea. But I'm basically going to use this Johnson's bubble bath for babies just so I can get that bubbly, luxurious, soft, effect. Then to really moisturize my feet, I'm going to go in with this PAMPER Skin Therapy Oil. It smells super good. And for some aromatherapy, that does not hurt, I'm going to use some eucalyptus oil. It has calming effects, so why not calm my feet down. And to really get that full effect, I'm going to use some Epsom salt. Now I'm going to use my Radiant Skin Care System by Duvolle, which I love. It comes with 4 interchangeable brush heads, and it even includes a pumice stone. So after you let your feet soak for a little bit, I'm going to go with this pumice stone, and it really does get off the dead skin and leaves your feet really soft. Like, it's amazing. I did do a gel pedicure, but I didn't put that on camera because, you know, it's the same effect and same process as your nails. Now let's get started with skincare. I'm going to use these gel eye patches to really bring some moisture under my eyes, and it really makes me feel pampered, like I'm in a spa, you know?
Five minutes later.
So now I'm going to use the cleansing brush head in my skincare system with my Urban Skin RX Even Tone Cleansing Bar. I really love this face wash. It's really the best. It helps, you know, keep those breakouts at bay while also helping you lighten any dark marks. So I really swear by this cleanser. So yeah, check that out, y'all. And yeah, I'm just going to go over my skin, really get in there. And make sure you check my description box for a link to this skincare system as well as a coupon code. Because y'all know I got you. Okay. So I attempted to do a thing. And it didn't even work. I bought this pore vacuum off of Instagram, and it's supposed to do amazing things and clean out your pores, but all it really did was a little bit on my nose, and then wherever I use it, it just turned my face really red. So just be careful with what you get off Instagram. That's all I gotta say. And please excuse my camera lens. I have to clean it, but don't worry, the next video it will look way better. And as you can see, it only got out a little bit, but I really don't recommend this. And another time I tried to use it, it left a hickey on my face. So, no. So after that attempt, I went back, wet my face to try to calm the redness down. And now I'm going to get into my skincare routine. So I'm using this Pore Refiner Toner by Neutrogena. I like it. It's cool. Now I'm using this Vital Eyes Under Eye Serum by Urban Skin RX. It's supposed to really moisturize under your eyes and help with lightening your dark circles. Now I'm going in with some vitamin C serum, also by Urban Skin RX. I basically bought a dark spot corrector kit from them, so that's why I have all of these things. They're all supposed to help aid even out your skin tone. And after doing all of that, you have to protect your hard work so you can see some results. And I'm using a sunscreen by them as well. And that is really it. That's how I pamper myself, y'all.